Switzerland lies in the heart of Europe in a central massif of the Alps. It may be conveniently reached from any point on the continent, for all the main European railroads pass through the country. This land, greatly favored by nature, may be entered from the north at Bazel, an old and wealthy commercial center and university city whose pride is her carefully tended zoological garden. From Bazel, railway lines spread out and penetrate every part of the interior. Let us visit first Zürich, the largest city in Switzerland. Almost all Swiss railways are driven by electric power. The rapid and powerful electric engines are the results of long years of technical research and vast experience, and their personnel have been given a thorough and conscientious training.